Hey y'all, and welcome to another vlog. Today's video is, honestly, who knows? It's my son's 12th birthday, and we are taking the kids to jump, and then we are also taking them to eat. So we will be going out to Wood Grill. First, I am going to meet my mom so that she can drop her car off to probably get an oil change. I feel like that's all she gets. And then I'm gonna run up the hill and grab me a Starbucks drink. It is chilly out here. My car is reading that it is 41 degrees. So, yeah, Sky is with my mom. They spent the night over there last night. And I'm just waiting on the heat to kick in here. Oh, we got the green light. Hey. Ooh.
Good morning, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get you this morning?
Good morning. Can I get tall white chocolate mocha? And can I also try the iced gingerbread oat milk chai? Try the gingerbread loaf.
Okay.
And that'll be it.
Alrighty, that's $15.22.
Thank you. Hello, dog. Let's see what new emails we got here. None.
Your brother said he's trying to get his hair like Tame. He's gonna take the locks down.
No matter how much you cut it.
It's gonna take a minute though.
No.
It will. It takes, they say, days to get them locks down.
I'm talking about Cam's hair. No matter.
Did you see that? I sent that to you.
I was trying to get myself together. Let me see. Now I can delete these. I don't keep nothing on my phone. Let me see. Why did the train start coming? The thing went down, and then they got halfway to the thing, and it went back up. Maybe they wasn't. What you talking about? The car?
What is Jelly Roll saying? The new Jelly Roll.
Who is that?
Sure, I got this $8. I got this in my card. Not this one say no 29. Yeah, I about to say $59. Huh? You don't know who Jelly Roll is?
No, Mom.
Let me see this dude.
No. What happened to him?
Oh, he's a country singer, but he came and shared on a song with him. But
Because remember she just did
they said he
a country album.
Well, they said he must have been at somebody's church. I gotta get this. I think I want the red one. Look, I want the red one.
The red one.
The blue one.
The red one. Yeah, what happened to Nanny? What happened to Nanny? It won't meant.
What happened to Nanny?
What happened to Nanny?
Okay, so there was a stink bug on the light. It was in the room that me and Mimi were in, and it came in the light, and it was in there. Nanny was trying to get it, and she rolled off the thing.
Hey. Okay. Can you check to see if I have anything to use? Maybe towards the loaf, please. Yeah. Oh, that's okay. I just wanted to check. Thank you. Look at this in there.
Mama, she flipped over.
The hook.
Mama,
Huh?
she flipped over with the fan.
She tried to grab the fan as she went down to steady herself, but girl, she just rolled.
Thank you. Here.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you. I got the gingerbread loaf. It smells so good. Make you want to smack your mom.
Tried to.
Don't mind if I do. Yo.
It's a top in here.
Look,
I could go without the ice.
version.
I think I'm gonna eat the cake before I get done drink. But this ain't all that. Y'all, so they done gave me the gingerbread oats drink for free. It's okay, cold. I wanna try it hot. Thank you. Ain't even hot. Hey, this your mother.
Whatever you
Okay.
find, I'll sell it.
I like it hot. So after this, we eventually ran off to Bodo's to get Cam a bagel for his birthday. For Cameron's birthday, he decided he wanted to go to Jump, so we took the kids to Jump for about an hour and 30 minutes. That way we would be ready for lunch over at Wood Grill. The kids had a blast, and we told the waitress here at Wood Grill that it was Cam's birthday, and this is what they did. Alright, so we're at Target, and I wanted to come here right along with everyone else to just do some looking and some shopping. The first place that I always run off to in Target is the dollar spot, because you always find things that are priced under $5 for a really great deal, and they're really cute. I then wanted to check out some of the candles and the pillows and all of the other Christmas decor. Oh, my family's driving me nuts. It's the big run day. It's Girls on the Run. Sky has been working for 12 weeks towards this, practicing running and everything else. So we're going to get ready to go and run I think it's 5K. Okay, so we're on the shuttle bus to go over to St. Anne's. Are you ready to run? Probably. So there's going to be like some activities you could do before the race or whatever.
Yeah.
You guys get to like paint your hair and some other type of stuff.
Paint my hair.
Yeah. Right up your alley.
I can't even paint my hair.
wait on the bleachers. You can go watch your girl run around.
We need to say a thank you for the Genworth Foundation, U.S. Wind Rabbit Chapter, the Charlottesville Area Community Foundation.
Are you guys ready? Ready, set, go!
Woo! Good job, Sky! Woo! Woo! Good job! You did it!
You're almost there and you're doing great. All right, Amanda.
You're done. Let me see your medal. Ooh! Alright, so Girls on the Run is done. They have done their race. They got their medals and we're back on the bus.
I want to sit in the...
Oh my god. He's like, oh yeah, I'm getting set in. You may have the window seat, but I...
Hey. I'm moving. Are you enjoying this?
Yeah.